Well, you know, it's no secret that we're all getting older, and aging gracefully is something that maybe we all want. We can go to the gym, eat healthy, but we all notice maybe those stubborn body parts that just don't seem to cooperate.
That's right. And as women, we know these parts as love handles and muffin tops. So that there
are you looking at me when you're saying that?
I absolutely was not. No.
Okay.
I have those trouble areas.
Oh, okay.
But there's advanced treatments that can help minimize and diminish those problems. We spoke to our friends at Carlson Laser and Aesthetics and Indigo Med Spa about a state-of-the-art treatment for our body's most stubborn parts. We all want to age gracefully, but as we're aging, we sometimes see some of the extra bulges and bumps that we might not like. That's why we're here at Carlson Laser Aesthetics and Indigo Med Spa. And talking to us today is Dr. Carlson and one of his patients, Amber. You are a state-of-the-art facility, but you have a new procedure that is helping people get rid of some of those extra bumps and bulges.
Yes, it's called Smart Lipo. It's a laser-assisted liposuction procedure. It's basically a minimally invasive, non-surgical technique where we melt fat away.
Okay, so tell me how this procedure is different than some of the other procedures that are on the market.
A couple main differences. The results are immediate. For the most part, one treatment in 3 hours will take care of those lumps and bumps that you're talking about. And the healing time is very quick. People are back to work within 3 to 4 days at the most. And the best part of it is it's one-shot treatment.
So a one-time treatment, and how long does the procedure last?
It's a permanent procedure. Once we destroy the fat cells, they're gone for good.
Okay, well, I know that, Amber, you had this procedure done about 2 years ago. Tell me a little bit about why you wanted this procedure done.
Well, I just have the one problem area that most girls get.
And what problem area is that?
Right here underneath your belly button.
We also know it as the muffin top.
Yes. And, you know, I worked out, I ran, I did all kinds of things, and I just couldn't get rid of it. So Dr. Carlson did the procedure, and I loved it. After about a week, the swelling went down, and I looked, it was flat, it was great.
Okay, so there's no downtime. What was your day like right when you left the office?
When I left the office, I went home and I studied for my algebra test that I had. I was going to college at the time, and I went out to Muskegon and took an algebra test that night.
Oh my God.
And then I came right back to work the next day too.
Came right back to work the next day, so no downtime.
And she aced her test, by the way.
I did. I did.
Nice job. But, so tell me, who would be a great candidate for this procedure?
Well, we're talking about people like Amber or the moms who've had 2 or 3 children and they've got a little muffin top or they've got a little hip action that they want to take down, get their waist down so they can slip into their skinny jeans again. So we're talking about just contouring and taking down little bumps and lumps, as you said. It's not intended to be for a total weight loss program, but just contouring and getting down a size or maybe 2 sizes.
Now, you mentioned so many moms are so busy right now, especially with summer, running the kids here and there, but this is really a great time to take advantage of this procedure and do something for yourself.
Absolutely. I mean, summer is busy and everybody wants to be looking good for summer, but now you've got winter coming on, kids are back in school. It's an opportune time to go ahead and take care of those little lumps and bumps that you described.
And Amber, would you do the procedure again?
Yes, definitely.
Super easy.
It was great.
Wow. Okay, well, there you have it. If you want to get rid of some of your extra lumps and bumps, or what we also call the muffin top, you can do so right here. They're going to take great care of you at Carlson Laser Aesthetics and Indigo Med Spa. That's such an incredible procedure.
Yeah. And the transformation is really pretty remarkable in the fact that she was able to go to class, take a test, and ace her test, feeling really no effects from the procedure, and to see those miraculous results. Pretty incredible.
Huge results, like actually dropping 2 dress sizes.
Yeah, it is really great.
So the Carlson Laser Aesthetics is hosting an event of fun giveaways, beverages, and hors d'oeuvres. Their fall open house is open to the public for you to learn about the latest in cutting-edge laser aesthetic treatments, and Dr. Carlson will be there with some of his staff to answer questions on everything from smart lipo, laser hair removal, Juvederm, and a lot more.
The fall open house is taking place this week. It's Thursday, November 3rd from 6 to 8. Dr. Carlson is offering great specials and giveaways every 10 minutes throughout the evening. We'd like you to call, though, and register 616-363-3640 if you're planning to attend.
That's right, and Dr. Carlson will have a ton of specials at the open house, like Smart Lipo is going to be 50% off, laser hair removal packages, Latisse is for just $99, which is a great deal on that, and with tons of other hot specials. They will also have giveaways, which include drawings every 10 minutes.
Fantastic. That's, of course, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and great procedures like laser hair removal treatments and even a giveaway for a Smart Lipo that's a $2,000 value.
Right.
It is really great. Botox at $9.50 a unit, which is a super great deal. So make sure you call and get registered today. And I know we're both going to be out there for part of the evening.
We are.
Yeah.
We're both going to be there. And the great thing about the Smart Lipo for the open house event is they are doing that raffle for $2,000 off. But if you decide that you don't want that procedure or that $2,000 off for maybe your love handles, then you could also use it on other parts of the body.
Wow, that is really great.
He's making it really easy.
How about that? Fantastic. What a great way to get ready for that holiday party season.
Right.
All right, we're just getting started today on 8 West. We'll be taking a big step back in time, well, a little step anyway, to talk about Art Prize.
Specifically last year's, and one of the favorites is the Elephant Walk.
All three of those elephants are now located outside Harder and Warmer Landscaping Center, and inside their boutique, Myrtle Maze, the bling is also taking the shape of the elephants, and we'll learn about a positive vibe the elephants can send.
And as we get into the busy holiday months, it's so important to remember those around us who might not have everything to make it a wonderful holiday. And it takes businesses in our community to make a difference, and we'll talk with our friends at Spartan Stores about how they're getting involved this holiday season.
Absolutely, and if you're ready to start some holiday shopping, we have found a place where you'll be able to find everything, something that's extra special, those gifts that you won't find just anywhere. The owner of Yours Truly Galleria in studio with us today to talk about some very unique pieces.
That's right.
That?
Wow, they've got fantastic stuff, and I don't know about you, but keeping up with housework and some of the chores with being a new house owner is it's a little bit harder than I expected.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I was going to say, I can picture you in that sweatshirt ensemble last night cleaning your own house. Guess what? We're going to introduce you to a guy who has just the perfect business for the busy working professional. Yeah. We've asked Molly Maid to come into our studios today to talk about the services they offer. We've even got a chance for you to enter to win a free house cleaning, but there's a lot of fun with a little bit of a catch. Oh. We'll explain coming up. Stay right there, 8 West. We'll be right back.
Your all-access pass to everything West Michigan.